So this is what our 144 wheelbase looks like. So we built this with families in mind. And this does have a 4-person plus a bench configuration. So we'll take you guys right through it. We've got this pass-through right down the middle to be able to access the back. And 4 captain seats. Space here for luggage and bags. Now, the spacing is very tight, as you can see. Ideally, if you want more space, we can eliminate the luggage. But this configuration was made to have some luggage space. All right, so this converts to a bed. Got a little bit of storage back here. We've got about 7 inches of leg room. Here we have about 10 inches split between these two. These seats, they do recline. You've got a 43-inch TV in the rear. Cup holders, privacy shades, lighting, an amazing sound system. And of course, what is an ATL Van Sprinter without the starlights? And you don't have to be a celebrity to be amongst the stars. I've got a 32-inch TV in front and a separate AC system in the rear with 4 vents for air outlet. That includes AC and heating. You've got some electrical sockets in here. And we have a vented storage. And the reason why this particular storage is vented is because this was intended for plugging up game consoles. So if you've got a PS5, Xbox, you've got an HDMI port right here, and your 120 volt, you put it right there. And you can optimize your gameplay, and it connects to this TV up here. Very easy. The seats, heated, cooling, massage seats. And we do refinish the front compartment. This is not standard on our vans. This is an optional upgrade to wrap the dash. We do finish the seats, and this van is used. This is one of our rental units. Let's go to the rear, show you the trunk space we've got. So in the back, as is, you've got about 20 inches of trunk space back here. So that's enough for a check bag, carry-on bags, and you can stack them up. Now keep in mind that 20 inches is with the current seating configuration. This seat does tilt back, so you can bring it back and it will reduce that space. But at the furthest, you still got enough to stack some carry-on bags. This goes all the way up. And you've got a little bit of storage back here. You can put little items. There you have it. We add our running board. That's an upgrade. And we add a spoiler plus the Mercedes grille. This is our Maybach style grille. It gives it an added look.